Hi everyone, I'm Bodine, and today we are out on the streets because it's the holiday season, and that means it's time for family and friends and lots of gifts. Scotiabank wants to know, what makes your perfect holiday gift?
A bracelet, a jewelry set.
Pay off my mortgage.
Nothing is more invaluable than travel and experiences.
Go and visit my son in London, rent a hotel that's close to where they're setting off the fireworks, and stay there for 2 days and just have fun.
Give my mom a flight to come and visit me because she's living in Mexico.
Probably transportation, probably like an electric car. It's ideal, it's better, and it gets them to point A to point B.
This year I'd love a new Tory Burch handbag. I just had a baby, so a nice evening bag would be good.
I really want to carry my son to Six Flags.
Some family time. That'd be the perfect Christmas gift for me.
$1 million, a whole million. I don't want $500,000, I want a whole million.
Unwrap the perfect Christmas gift with a Scotia Plan Loan for a chance to win an all-expense-paid 3-day trip to Miami for 2. To learn more about these offers and more, go to bs.scotiabank.com.